Hi, my name is Simon Kosel with Bryant School. I met you here a few weeks ago when my class came out for a field trip. When we were here, you mentioned something about grizzlies in Iowa.
Very good. I should probably introduce myself, correct? Yes. My name's Jenny Ammon, and I work here as the Naturalist with the Dubuque County Conservation Department. And Simon's class came out to talk about mammals of Iowa. And when I conduct that Mammals of Iowa program, I bring up the animals that used to be here historically, like elk and bison, and plains grizzly bear would occasionally come through the state. And one of the big important details about this is the fact that Iowa was a country so full of game, and we did have a lot of different diversity. Fact is, when settlement happened, 1833, 1834, we had a lot of habitat loss, and a lot of our landscapes changed, which makes it really hard for an animal that size, that needs that much territory, to stay here. So habitat loss and the fact that there was not a lot of food left after our weed changed things into agricultural changes. Then this is kind of the map I wanted to show you. This was the plains region. It stretched from Mexico, northern part of Mexico, into Canada. That is what they refer to as plains. And this part right here, you can see Iowa's right there. That catches the western side of Iowa, and that's where they used to roam. Like I said, 150 square miles is what they needed for territory.
When did the plains grizzly bear leave Iowa?
Good question, Simon. Well, Iowa was settled about 150 years ago. So that means we had a lot of European folks coming here to make a home, whether that means farming or different types of agriculture, or harvesting forests, whatever it was. They came here, and we used to have black bear, and we did used to have plains grizzly bear. Not huge populations, but plains grizzly bears used this ecoregion, from Iowa north to Canada and south to Mexico. And so about 150 years ago, when the settlers came, there was a lot of hunting. And so that also drove them further west. So about 1833 was when Iowa was settled.
So when they went west to Kansas and Nebraska, they were hunted out.
They were moved, yes, and also people. They're losing habitat, which is one of the most important things as an animal. You can have that food, water, shelter, and space. So as our European settlers started moving west, the bear populations also started moving. Scientists think that there are still remnants of the genes from the plains grizzly bears in some of the populations.